Dear students, this week you're going to learn about a flat sign. You already know about the sharps. So what the sharps do, they raise the note. That means when you face the keyboard, you have to go to the right, half a step above the principal note to make a sharp. With flats, you have to go down half a step to the left from the principal note. For example, if you're in G position, so right hand, thumb on G, second finger on A, third finger on B, fourth finger on C, fifth finger on D. Okay, now play a B with finger number 3. Okay, now find a B flat. So that means from the principal B note, you have to go down to the left to the nearest note. In this case, the nearest note is a black note, which is a part of 3 black keys. And this B flat is the black key on the very, very right of the group. Okay, so that's a B natural. And a little bit down to the left, that's your B flat. That's all it is to it. That's the difference between sharps and flats. From a principal note, sharps go half a step to the right, flat goes half a step to the left. All right, I'm on page 60, and this is where you see the flat sign and the chart for flats. And I urge you to play this little exercise in G position. The exercise is located at the top right corner of page 60. You are in G position and you will play G, A, B flat, A, new bar, B flat, A. Now attention, in a second bar you see only one B flat, but you have to play all of the B's in the bar flat. They are not going to write a B flat in front of every note of a bar. The rule is once there is a flat at the beginning of the bar, that note has to be flat for the duration of the whole bar. Then after the bar line, all of the flats are cancelled unless they are in a key signature, but we are not going to go into there today. So one more time, bar 1, G, A, B flat, A, bar 2, attention, B flat, A, again, B flat, even it's not written, A, bar line, and again, B flat, 4 beats. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I wish that each student in my class would watch my weekly videos because I explain what you need to do and what you need to learn in great details. And when you turn in the homework, I noticed and I know that some of you did not watch the videos because you make these mistakes that I told you not to make and explained how not to make the mistakes, okay? So please keep watching the videos because your semester grade depends on how well you play for me, right? So the finals are coming. Let's learn Rocket Away song. So right hand is in G position. This time there are no eighth notes. If there are no eighth notes, just quarter notes, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4. As simple as that. So give yourself 1 bar of counting, and then when you play, pay attention to the flats, the accidental B flats. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Attention, B flat. 1, 2, another B flat. If it's not written, it's still a B flat in the same bar. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bar line cancels the B flat. Now you start all over again. 1, 2, no flats. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. B flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. All right. Now I'm going to give you the names of the notes. G, G, B, D. G, B, D. A, G, A, G. B flat, A, hold, hold. G, G, B, D. G, hold, B, D. Attention. B flat, G. B flat, hold, A. 2, 3, 4. G, G, B, D. G, hold, B, D. A, G, A, G. B flat, A, hold, hold. G, G, B, D. G, hold, B, D. B flat, G, A, hold, and G, hold, hold, hold. Okay, just as a reminder, a white note, large white note without music stem, that's a whole note, 4 beats, okay? A white note with a music stem and the dot next to the note, it's called dotted half note, 3 beats. Yeah, there's 3 quarter notes, 3 beats inside the dotted half note. A simple white note with a music stem, half note, 2 beats. A black note with a music stem, that's a quarter, 1 beat. No eighth notes. When we have eighth notes, then we divide each quarter note into 2 half beats, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And when you only have quarter notes, it's simply 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, finger numbers. It will be helpful for you to take the pencil and write in the finger numbers as you watch this video. 1, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 3, 1, 3 on a B flat, 2 on A. 1, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3 on B flat, 2 on A. 1, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 3 on B flat, 1 on G, 2 on A, final note, 1 on G. All right, done with the right hand. Now, the chords in the left hand. You have several chords in the left hand and you're in G position. So you have to review the G chord, GBD, okay? Then you have to review the C chord. What happens with the C chord? You keep 5th finger on G, play 2nd finger on C, you're in the same position, and then move the thumb from D 1 note up to E. So your C chord is 5th on G, 2nd on C, 1st on E. Okay, go back to G, 5 on G, 3 on B, 1 on D. Okay, scoot back. Now, D7 chord. Okay, you're in this position, but you have to move the pinky down to F sharp. Now, which note is F sharp? If you move the pinky 1 note down to the white note, that's F. How to find the F sharp? F sharp is the first black note, the one on the very left in a group of 3 black keys. I have heard several people playing a wrong F sharp, a different note, a different black note. So once again, F sharp is the first note from the left in a group of 3 black keys. So that's your F sharp, 5th finger. Now 2nd finger, keep yourself in position on C, and thumb is in position, that's D. F sharp 5, C, 2, D, 1. Okay, and again GBD, G chord. Okay, G chord, C chord, G chord, and then D7 chord, and G. So you have to review these chords before you start playing the composition, especially hands together. Now, pay attention to the ties. There are lots of ties. What do ties do? Ties make you hold the note from the previous bar for as many beats as it says in the next bar. So it looks like you play the G chord in the first bar and count 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, and continue holding these chords through the second bar. Bar number 3, that's a C chord, G, C, E. You hold it for 4 beats and then continue holding for another 4 beats in the following bar, okay? Now I'm in bar 5, back to G chord, GBD. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now again, G, C, E. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now difficult switch from G, C, E. You have to go to F sharp, hold the C in place, and move the thumb to D. Okay, you're going to play F sharp, C, D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me pause for a second. You will have to work a lot on the switch from G, C, E, okay, to F sharp, C, D. Now, you have one note in common. That's the second finger on C. So don't move the second finger. And look what happens with your fingers 5 and 1. Yeah, you were on G and E. Now you have to put the 5th finger on the black note, which is F sharp, the first of the group of 3 black keys, and also move the thumb down to the left one note to D. G, E, F sharp, D, and keep the C inside. So work on this group many times until you can play it easy, okay? Now I'm in bar 9. You're again on a G chord, GBD. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold over. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, C, E. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tie. 1, 2, 3, 4. G chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tie. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now attention. This will go quick. G, C, E. 1, 2. Then D7. F sharp, C, D. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you see in the second to last bar, you have only 2 beats for each chord, and 2 chords are different, so you have to make the switch quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So please work a lot, hands separately, so you have to train each hand to do different things. Now 2 hands. 1, 2, ready, go. Hold left hand. C chord. Hold the chord. Hold the chord. C chord. D7. G chord. C chord. Hold the chord over G chord. Attention. C chord, D7 chord, and G chord. All right. I have to remind you, okay, these letters that you see here, they have nothing to do with your right hand. These letters show what chords you have to play in the left hand. So GBD, it's a G chord. The C is not a note in the right hand. This is a C chord, which is G, C, E, all right? And then let's see, G chord, C chord, and here you go, D7 chord, okay? So don't think that the letters have anything to do with the right hand. They just show you the chords in your left hand. All right, so have fun working on this song, and please watch this video several times if you have to, so that you don't make any mistakes, because I want to give you the best possible grade on your homework. Thank you very much.